The Maasai are a nomadic group of cattle herders who live along the border of Kenya and Tanzania. Their cattle are their wealth, and they move from place to place looking for fresh grazing land for their animals. Most Maasai live in small temporary houses or groups of houses called kraals or bomas. These humble dwellings are often made of sticks and plastered with cow dung. But in this community, the Maasai have a special brick-built structure. This is a Maasai Seventh-day Adventist church. The people of this village are happy to have discovered a God who loves them. Some time ago, a global mission pioneer brought the gospel message here, and today, a large group of pioneers continue to carry a message of hope to unreached people in this area.
I walk on foot from house to house. As I arrive at a home, I invite everyone to join me. In the Maasai culture, it's customary when someone new comes that they all gather together, and I often call them under a tree. When you arrive at a Maasai village, you must always look for the elder, who is the leader. You warmly greet him and make conversation about common things to first present true friendship. After you get acquainted, then you introduce why you are there, and the chief will give his permission to visit the houses and to teach the people of the village. It makes us happy when the Maasai people joyfully accept the gospel news. The women are a special group. When studying with them, they often accept the Bible and its themes with open hearts. We pray earnestly for the people we work with. We pray for ourselves that God will enable us with His power. Then we pray for tact and skill that will enable us to serve. After praying, we feel assured that God's work will go on successfully.
Global mission pioneers are sent out to plant new groups of believers among unreached people. They choose the hard path. They walk long distances, face severe droughts, and struggle with limited resources. In this region, they sometimes face cultural and dialect differences that challenge their work. But global mission pioneers press on, for they know they are not really alone. Unlike other places, here in northern Tanzania, this group of pioneers finds strength by supporting one another and with encouragement and friendship. Some of the men have church planted for 16 years, while others are newcomers. While they may have their differences, they share a common goal. And when they are asked who wants to be in heaven,
as we think about the future of our work as pioneers, we pray that our house-to-house work grows into a Sabbath school group, then a church as this one, but ultimately that God will prepare hearts for heaven, and that God prepares the new believers as disciples to reach even others.